Okay guys, so now I have created this navigation menus. So after that, what I am going to do, I will make these buttons to work properly. Now here you can see when I will click on these buttons, it will redirect me to the same page, but I will make them to work properly and navigate me to a particular section or a new page. Now here you can see I have added this sign up now button. So here I will create a pop-up that allows you to subscribe. So when you click on it, a pop-up will appear and the user can subscribe to our newsletter. So first of all, what I was do, I will go to dashboard. Now here first of all I will install a plugin. So I will go to plugins and click on add new. Now I will search pop-ups for Divi. Now install this first plugin and then activate it. Now the plugin was successfully activated. Now I will go to pages and edit my page with Divi. Now before making changes in this button, I will go to end of this page. Here I will hover over here, click on this plus button and I will add a new section. So before adding any row, I will go to section settings. Here you can see an extra tab of pop-up. I will open general settings and this is pop-up. I will make it yes. Now here I will add pop-up ID. Now go to behavior. Here you can change its behavior, close other pop-ups, enable exit intent and close on background click. I will enable it. Close button, you can use a close button or not, but I will use a close button and make it dark. Now in layout, you can change it to default shadow and show loader. I will disable it. Just I will click on the stick button. Here I will add a new row and in this row I will use an email opt-in module. Now here you can see I have added email opt-in. So here I will change its settings. First of all, I will change its title. I will type subscribe. In subscribe button I will leave it to the subscribe and here I will add some body text. Now after adding text, I will go to email account. Here the main settings, you can choose your service provider. Here you have multiple options like HubSpot, MailChimp and many others, but I will use MailChimp. Now here click on add. Here you have to connect your MailChimp account with the email opt-in. First of all I will add my account name and here I will add API key. You can find this API key in your account by going to your profile. Now click on this account and billing. After this, hover over extras, click on API keys. Now scroll down. Here I have my API key. You can find it or click on create a key and then you can find it. Now copy this API key, go back to your account and paste your API key here. Now click on submit. Now the email account was connected successfully. Now here I will select a list. Now go to field. Here you have field options. You can use a single field name or field name with first name and last name. I will use a single field name. Here I have used custom fields, but I will not add any custom field. Here is success action. You can display a message or redirect it, but I will display a message. Here I will add subscribed. Now you can add spam protection, but I will leave it. Just I will go to background. Here I will change the background color to blue, so it looks similar to my website design. Now I will go to design. Here in layout, you can make body on right and form on left, body on top and form on bottom, but this one is perfect. Now here you can make any field to half width. Here you can see it appears 50% in the form, but I will use it 100%. Now go to fields. Here you can change the fields color. In the background I will change the field background color to this one. Now here is the field text color. I will leave it to the default. Now focus background color. I will use this color. So when you click on it, the color was changed. Here is the focus text color. I will make it dark black. So when you click on in your field, the text appears dark black. Now scroll down, go to title text. Here I will change the font to Roboto. I will make it underlined and its size to 28 pixels. Now I will go to body text and I will change its font size to Roboto. I will change its size to 16 pixels. Make its body line height to 1.8 em. Now I will go to button. Here I will enable button settings. I will make it 16 pixels. Now I will change button text color. I will first enable hover. Now for the front end I will make it blue, and for the hover I will make it white. Now go to background. I will enable hover here. For the hover I will change its color to blue, and for the front end I will make its background color to white. Now scroll down. Here you can change any icon. When you hover over it, icon, I will use this icon. So it will appear like that. Now go to animation and I will add fade animation. Now click on the stick button. The form is now completed. Now go back to the buttons where I want to add this pop-up. Here is the button, so I will click on its settings, go to link and type your pop-up ID with hashtag. Here I will type hash and then I will add pop-up 1. Now copy it, click on the stick button and go to second button. Here hover over it and go to settings and link, paste ID here. Now click on the stick button, click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will visit the live site. So I will click on exit visual builder. Now scroll down to the buttons. Now click on this sign up now button. Now you can see the pop-up appear like that with the form. Now here I will add my name and here I will add email. I will use a dummy email here. Now click on subscribe. Now you can see a success message of subscribed. Now you can get, now the user was subscribed to our newsletter and he will get email alerts from us. That's it for now. Keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create a full page website using Divi.